Hi, my name is Benjamin Wan, and welcome to my article on standard costing and variance analysis. If you work in any sort of industry that does manufacturing or produces products or goods, standard costing is the default option to help organizations understand what their products cost and how profitable they are. While standard costing isn't perfect, it's a very common starting place for many organizations. As organizations look to advance to the future, they really need to get the basic building blocks right first, which means understanding standard cost and understand why they are working the way they want or not, and understand where they need to go. Commonly, organizations use variance analysis to do what is known as management by exception. That's where they look for large variances to understand what's really deviating from actuals versus expectations. And then from there, organizations do analysis to understand the root cause of why that variance occurred. Hopefully, they can fix it, or otherwise, they look to understand why their standard cost is so far off from what's actually being done on the factory floor. So, thank you for stopping by this article and reading. If there's anything that you want to see covered here that is not covered, please let me know in the comments. Please also check out the rest of my articles on standard costing. I think I've written just about everything on the topic. And now I'm going to start to move into the future of what product costing should look like in my next set of articles this year and forward. So thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed it.